Look, Michael, I know you have an insatiable desire for adventure in any way. It may come in a big or small form. You may not have the money or resources to embark on a huge expedition across the globe, but you can still get your fix. Find your small hikes and treks. Take pleasure in your pleasant discoveries and lucky happenstances. Bring home a self of fulfillment, physical, emotional, and spiritual. Through every heavy step and bodily ache, let the drudge and hardship highlight the beauty. Find yourself outside.
What are the songs we sing anymore? Where are the stories we read no more? Where is the love we left? A romantic quest, final test from years ago. Where is the trying and failing? Where is the smiling and waiting?
That's the way down.
The burning fear from within. Our mind's creation is now a sin. Is my mind what I create will be solely mine? Is a soul kill all the robots trying to take control? Is my mind what I create will be solely mine? Is a soul kill all the robots trying to take control?
Hello, I'm in a cave right now. I've never been in a proper cave before. That's crazy. Yup. Crazy.
Times of uncertainty, what will become of me? Selling our lives for free, selling it to the machines. Don't wanna give up myself, yeah, to making content for wealth. I'm feeling content, I swear.
Travel across this coastline to then turn
I feel content with God's help, yeah. Is my mind what I create will be solely mine? Is a soul kill all the robots trying to take control? Is my mind what
These puddles are dinosaur footprints, sauropods. Actual dinosaurs walked here. That's sick.